Hello and welcome to my channel. I am so happy to have you here today. My name is Viennese, and if you are here, you have entered the most beautiful community on YouTube, and that is because you are here. On this channel, we do all things Jesus, beauty, hair, makeup, all of the girly things. So if you like that, please hit subscribe. But in today's video, I'm going to be doing a first impression of some nails, and I'm so excited to do that with you today. One thing about me is I love nails. If you've watched any of my videos, you'll see that I have on nails, and they are press-on nails. I used to be the girl that would go to the salon and get my nails done, but ever since I found press-on nails, I was like, I can do this at home. It's so affordable, and the selection of press-on nails that you can get nowadays are totally different from the press-ons that were a long time ago. I feel like the quality has changed. The styles have changed. You can't tell that they are press-on nails. They actually look like you went to the salon, so I love that. So when BTArtbox contacted me and asked if I would try some of their nails, I was so excited because I've heard a lot of good things about them, and I'm excited to see what I think about them and give you my honest opinion on the nails. This is not sponsored, but they did give me with two of my choice, and I chose a beautiful red color because, you know, it's Christmas time. I love a Christmas nail. Me and my daughter look forward to this time of year. We like save the color red for our nails for Christmas. So this is perfect for this time of year. And I also picked out another pair that I feel like could go into winter even after Christmas time. And these look like a snow-capped mountain with gold on the tips. So cute. So let me give you a close-up of the red ones first. And look how beautiful these are. I often go in between wanting long nails, wanting short nails. Are you like that? Comment down below if you do the same thing. But my favorite shape, I believe, is the almond nail. But whenever I crave a short nail, I go for a nail that looks similar to this, which is like a rounded square. So these are the ones I'm going to try with you today. I want these to be my Christmas nails. So let's go ahead and open them up. All right, so let's see what is in this kit. I have my usual way of putting on my press-on nails, but I'm going to use everything that's included in this kit so that you can know what is inside. All right. Getting it all out here. Okay, good. Yeah, it looks like everything is included that you'll need to put these on. Ooh, and they're so pretty. Yes. Can you see the detail in it? There's so much detail. Perfect, festive for the season. I feel like you could wear these to a Christmas holiday party or when you're opening presents on Christmas morning. I feel like a red nail is just perfect for that. I cannot express to you how much I love Christmas. Like anything that makes me feel the Christmas spirit, Jesus' birth, celebrating that, I'm all in. All right, so it comes with a pack of adhesive tabs. So this is if you do not like putting glue on your nails, maybe you're in a hurry and you don't really have time to sit there and do the whole process. This is gonna help you. I like to put glue because it's more secure, but this is an option that they have for you. And then they also have their own glue inside of here. Yeah, so you can use this for a more secure hold, and that is what I'm going to do. It also comes with this wooden stick for your cuticles. You can push your cuticles down. I found that when you do this, it makes it look more manicured, like you went to the salon. It really makes a difference. It's the little details, but if you press down on your cuticle and then apply them, so good. It also comes with the nail file. You know, you have to have that to buff out your nails. And it also comes with an alcohol pad here as well. I cannot stress to you the importance of using these two things together. There's been so many times where I've said, maybe I'm going to skip a step and leave off the alcohol, or maybe I won't buff my nail, and then popcorn. All of my nails popping off. You have to do both of these things, a rough surface and dehydrate your nail. So the first thing I have to do is size out these nails. I want to make sure that they fit my nails properly. You might be new to my channel, and if you are, I love talking about my straight natural hair, giving all the tips. I love sharing my love for Jesus Christ, and I'm also a certified makeup artist. All of these things combined is like the perfect glow up. So I love just having my nails. It just gives me a boost of confidence, even when I'm talking, even when I'm instructing, even when I'm just hanging out. Just having your nails done is the perfect finishing touch for a polished look. And I normally never get on camera or like to get on camera without my nails done. It's just something about it. I want my nails to be done. So finding the perfect press-on nail is very important in my life. Since I no longer go to the salons, I still want that same look and I want them to be durable. And also, I like a specific nail. I'm really particular when it comes to nails. I like them to feel sturdy. And so far, these are feeling sturdy. You guys know this is my first time touching these. These feel pretty sturdy. I don't like a thin nail. I also like my designs to be original. A lot of times the stores have the same type of nail. You can kind of tell which brand you have on. So I like finding those hidden gems. And I feel like this is a company where you could find that at. They have a lot of unique styles that you can choose from. And I want to just be unique. So that's something that I definitely look for in a press-on nail. It has to be sturdy, unique, and it definitely has to fit my personality because you have different moods. So that's what I like also about this brand. You can get long, short, plain, festive. It all just depends on what you like and when you feel like wearing them. So right now what I'm doing is I'm just sizing my nails. I want to make sure that they fit properly on each nail bed. So this takes time, but it's a very important step to do so that your nails look seamless and they look like you went and got a manicure from a salon. This also ensures that they stick on your nail bed for a long period of time. Because if you have the wrong size on your nail, it's easier for the nail to pop off. All right, so I have these lined up. I'm ready to put them on. They also say that these can last up to 28 days. So that can save you a lot of money right there. That's one of the reasons that I stopped going to the salon as well. That's a whole month. I love getting a lot of time out of my press-on nails. So if this is gonna last me a month, that means just one application for an entire month. That sounds amazing. So they said that it's best if you apply these and hold for 90 seconds. That might seem like a long time, but this is gonna make sure they stay on, so. I can already tell you that's not coming off. I have never in my life pressed on a press-on nail for 90 seconds. 20 seconds max. So that right there, I don't think these are coming off. And don't forget to file off those little tabs on the tip of your nails. So make sure you don't forget that last part to file those tabs off to make your nail application look more natural. And I've finished putting them on and they are super pretty, super, super pretty. But before I show you up close, I'm gonna apply a little bit of cuticle oil around my cuticle. Then I just like to massage it in, make sure my nails are getting nourished while having these press-on nails on, adding a little shine and moisture. See, you can have your own salon experience in the comfort of your own home. This is relaxing right now. Taking your time, making sure they're on there the way you want them to be. And it can be like a really relaxing experience for you. And here they are. Ah, they are so beautiful. When I would go to the salon, I loved a gel manicure because if you know nails, you know that that is the shiniest, most polished look you can get when you're there. And these are gel press-ons. So they give the impression of a gel manicure. So we love that. I love a shiny nail. These are the perfect length, even for what I'm feeling right now. I'm in a short nail mood, so these are so pretty. I love these so much already. Now, these are just my first impression. Of course, I have to wear them, but I can tell that they are on there. I can tell that I like the thickness. I can tell these aren't going to be going anywhere because I pressed them down for 90 seconds. And I wear enough press-ons to know, even in advance, how long they're going to last, and I know these are going to last. They're so pretty, the perfect length, the perfect shape. These are definitely fun They put me in a festive Christmas mood, and that's what I want. Actually, this is the easiest I've applied my nails. Is it because you're looking at me? Is it because I feel your eyes looking at me put these on? But I did leave them for the 90 seconds, and make sure you don't glue your fingers together. If you're like me, that can be an issue with the glue, so just be careful, but this was super easy to apply. So if you're interested in trying these nails, they did give me a code for you, and it's VIEN 10, and you get 10% off if you want to try them out for yourself. So this video is not sponsored, but I would like to thank BTArtbox for letting me try these out, for gifting these to me. And I really do think that you all would like these nails. I'm impressed. So for my first impression, I am impressed. So as always, if this video helped you, if you enjoyed it, please like before you leave me a comment, and subscribe if you are new here. Please subscribe. We would love to have you as a part of this community, which is growing and is so beautiful. And as always, I love you. Jesus loves you, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.